Who that is?
All things MoElle.
I said, who that is?
All things MoElle.
Man, who that is?
All things MoElle.
I said, who that is?
All things MoElle.
Queen of reviews, you can run and tell. Fashion, perfume, talking hair and nails. Who that is?
All things MoElle.
I said, who that is?
All things MoElle.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl MoElle. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, you already know why we are here. This past week, Miss Rihanna, she has finally come out with the long-awaited Fenty Hair, which is her hair care line. I already know what you probably thinking, because I ain't gonna lie, I was thinking the same thing, like, not again, not another celebrity hair care line. I'm over it. I get it. I understand. What really made me just go ahead and bite the bullet and be like, you know what, I do want to try these is because when it comes to the beauty industry, Rihanna has really come in and shaken up. I mean, let's just be honest. She has brought awareness to things like inclusion. Like, she literally thinks about everybody when coming up with her products. And I can't lie, I have really enjoyed some of her makeup products. I've enjoyed some of her skincare. And also the fact that she said that this was like, this is her baby. Like, out of all of her other projects, this has taken the longest for her to just perfect and get right. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just see what it's talking about. This is not a sponsored review. I was not sent these products in PR. I did purchase them myself. We're going to talk about the line. We're going to do a first impressions, kind of show you some of the products in action. So if you're interested in seeing all of that, then just keep on watching. But of course, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not new here, we want to keep you around here. We want you as part of the MoElle-ian fam. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, you might as well hit the notification bell so that you won't miss when I post new uploads. All right, so let's just talk about this line in general. What is it? What does it claim to do? What makes it special? So this is basically supposed to be reparative hair care, and it's for all hair types. I read on the website that literally every time you use these products, you are supposed to be repairing your hair. Like, that is what these products are made for. They focus on repairing and they focus on moisture, from what I can tell just from reading what's on the website. What makes it special is the technology that these products were formulated with. It is formulated with a proprietary complex called the Replenicor 5. According to the website, it is clinically tested to repair, strengthen, hydrate, smooth, and protect the hair no matter what kind of hair you got. So where does the 5 in the Replenicor 5 come from? The first is Barbados gooseberry, which is supposed to boost your hair hydration. Upcycled jackfruit, which is rich in vitamins and nutrients. 3 amino acids, and we already know that that is the building block of protein, and our hair needs protein. Green tea extract, which is an antioxidant, as well as hydrolyzed vegetable protein, which according to the website is supposed to prevent over proteinization. I've never heard that word ever in my life, but it's on their website. The technology is supposed to penetrate the cuticle, repair split ends, and reduce future breakage. And it also includes built-in conditioning and scalp care. Now, as far as the lineup, what actual products are included in this launch? First, you have the Rich One Shampoo. Then there is the Rich One Conditioner, which is like your typical rinse out conditioner. There is the Richer One Deep Conditioning Treatment. There is the Comeback Kit, which is their instant damage repair treatment and bond builder. There is the Protective Type, which is their 5-in-1 heat protectant styler. There is the HomeCurl Curl Defining Cream, the Jelly Type Stronghold Gel, the Controlling Type Hair Thickening Edge Gel, which is like an edge control, and then the Side Stick 3-in-1 Edge Styling Tool. So that's a total of 9 products that came out with this launch. I got my hands on the ones that were most interesting to me, which was the shampoo, the Richer One Deep Conditioner, as well as that cream styler. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair, then I will jump in the shower, we'll try out that shampoo and the deep conditioner in the shower, and then we'll come back here in order to style. I think I'm just doing a twist out or a braid out. I haven't decided. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you my final first impression thoughts. So let's do this. All right, y'all, so I am in the shower. I did pre-poo my hair. If you're not new here, then you know I like to shampoo my hair and twist. So I'm just about to go right in with the product. Sorry if the sound is a little weird. I don't normally film with sound in the shower because normally I'm playing my music, which I'm sacrificing today because I want y'all to get like true first impression thoughts without me having to do a voiceover. This is what she looks like. I'm sorry if the lights are too bright for you to really see the packaging. Okay, seems thick. Oh, these smell really good. Okay, so the smell reminds me of Adwoa's Blue Tansy collection. but you can also smell the amber that is in this. So that mixed with amber, so it smells really nice to me. I would actually wear this as a fragrance. It smells good. All right. Okay, so I see right away that it is creating a nice lather. And it does feel pretty rich going into the hair, like feeling the suds. They're very buttery. So hopefully this means that the shampoo is not going to be too drying or stripping. Like, my hair was detangled before going in with this product, but it's not making it tangle back up. See how I'm able to just pull it apart? So that's good. I like that. Just gonna go through, take the twist out, and then I'll rinse it out. All right, so this is my hair after rinsing out the shampoo. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but it just feels intensely nourished right now, but it's obviously clean. Like, I don't feel like a film left over on my strands, and my hair just, it feels soft. Like, it doesn't feel like straw. So this, I would agree that this is a gentle cleanse, not harsh at all. My hair feels good. It feels good. Now I'm gonna resection my hair so we can move on to deep conditioning. These products smell really good. Like, I love the way these smell. Feels nice and creamy. Well, it seems like my hair is just kind of drinking this up. It feels really nice going onto the hair. It's very smooth, which makes for an easy application. I'm not having to fight with my hair in order to evenly distribute the product, so I like that. It appears to have some slip. Let me grab a brush just to see if we can get the brush through this section. Starting from the ends here. So yes, this seems to have pretty good slip. The brush is not having a lot of trouble getting through. Alright, as of right now, I am loving this deep conditioner. So far we are winning with this, but of course we want to see how my hair feels after I rinse it out. I'm just going to apply it to my whole head, put on a plastic cap, do the rest of my shower, and then I'll just go ahead and rinse it out then. And then we will head on over and start styling. Okay, so overall, my hair feels pretty good, and obviously it's very hydrated and moisturized because look how shrunken up it is right now. It just doesn't feel as moisturized as it felt when I was in the shower with the product in. There is no leave-in in this collection, so we're just gonna go straight in with the styler. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about that, but we're just gonna have to do what we're gonna have to do. I'll probably do a twade out braid at the roots just so that my roots are not so puffy when I take this style down. Let's go ahead and get the product. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take just a little bit of this for this first section because I don't know how this product is gonna react, but it feels really nice in my hands. It's very buttery and creamy. So let's just put it on. Ooh, it feels nice going on. Ooh, and not the curl starting to, not the curl. This stuff is actually doing a really good job of defining my curls. Taking my tangle teaser and just going through the section just to make sure like all of the product is evenly distributed and that I don't have any tangles. Alright, so that is what the first twist is looking like. So yeah, we're just gonna do my whole head, but like application wise, I really felt like this smoothed onto my hair very nicely. I can already see some shine on this twist, and it feels nice. It feels really nice in my hair. I really like that buttery, creamy consistency. So we'll see how the twists and stuff look when I actually take them down. All right, you guys, so we are back. This is what my hair is looking like after letting my twist dry completely. I did sit under my hair dryer. So let me just start off by saying what I absolutely love about all these products. It has to be the scent. These products smell so freaking good to me. I am definitely an amber and floral kind of girl, and the mixture of those two, these products just smell amazing, okay? And honestly, Fenty, if y'all listening, and if our girl is planning on expanding her fragrance line, this needs to be the next edition because it smells really, really good. I will say, if you are somebody who does not like strong scents, you might not like this because it's definitely a lingering smell, but to me, it's very feminine and soft. I love the smell, so 10 out of 10 for that. As far as this Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo, I do feel like it did exactly what it claimed to do as far as being a gentle cleanser that will remove your buildup off of your scalp and off of your hair strands. As far as it helping to improve detangling, I do feel like it did that. Making the hair feel soft and shiny, definitely did that. Reducing frizz, I don't know about that one, but I don't really look to shampoos to do that, so that's fine for me. Performance wise, this did exactly what I needed it to do. I will probably give this like an 8.5 out of 10 because this was a good shampoo, and I love the fact that it did not make my hair feel squeaky clean, and it didn't tangle it up and all that stuff. So this is definitely one that I recommend. As far as the richer one, the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner, this one was just okay for me. Like I said, I loved the way that this applied. I love that it had slip. It gave me some moisture. I just feel like it did not deliver the moisture that I expected it to, especially with what it's called. And it claimed to be an ultra extra rich deep conditioner. But I mean, you know, it was okay. I feel like it did what a regular conditioner would do. I just feel like it did not like knock my socks off. I definitely have more deep conditioners in my collection that are more moisturizing than this. I would probably give this a 6 out of 10. As far as repurchasing it right now, it's gonna have to be a let me use this up and see how I feel about it after, because just going off of today's experience, it wasn't a bad experience, but it just isn't a I gotta rush out and get this, I have to keep this in my stash. Application, slip, all that stuff was good. I just wanted a little bit more from this one. Just a little bit more. And then last but not least, we have the HomeCurl Curl Defining Cream. I have to admit, when I was applying this, I just knew she was going to be the star of the show. I just was really in love with the texture of this. I love the consistency of this. I love that it's in between a cream and a gel, in my opinion. It's heavier than a cream, but not as heavy as a gel. So it's like right there in the middle. It honestly reminds me a lot. I don't know if you guys ever tried the Bold Buttery Gel from the Main Choice that was a part of their Do It Fro the Culture collection when it first came out. I love that gel, and this actually reminds me a lot of that, texture wise and performance wise. It dried quickly. I got a little bit of flaking like right here, but I honestly think that that was on me because I put a lot in that section. It defined my curls. As you can see, this twist out is popping. However, I have more frizz than I would like to have, and the moisture is just, it just ain't there for me. I really feel like what is missing is a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizer. Like, I feel like if that was a part of the collection, I think that this would have done a lot better. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the results. My hair looks good. It's not heavy and weighed down, as you can see. It's kind of bouncy and it has a lot of movement, so I like that. This definitely does define curls, as you could see when I was applying it. I don't think that I would use this for a wash and go though, because I need some a little heavier on my roots so that my hair is not so puffy when it dries. But if you are somebody who does not require a heavy gel for a wash and go, you actually might like this for a wash and go. I agree that it does have that touchable hold. The curls are not crunchy or hard, but yeah, I just wish it was more moisturizing, and I wish that it could have not frizzed up as much during the takedown. One thing I want to mention about this styler, because I know some people are sensitive to glycerin, this product is high up when it comes to having glycerin in the ingredients list, so that's just something for you to make note of. I'll probably give this like a 7 out of 10. The next time I use this, because I am going to use it up, I'm going to look at my stash to see what leave-in might mix well with this, because I want to see if I see a difference in adding a moisturizer before using this next time. I picked mine up from the Fenty website. I will leave a link down below if you're interested in picking these up. If you have not, if you did pick these up, you know, I'm interested in seeing how the other products perform. So if you've had a different experience, or you just want to talk about your experience in general with these products, let's talk about all that in the comments. You could be one of the people that we talked about earlier that's just like, nah, I'm good on another celebrity hair care line. I don't want to try these. If that's you, let me know in the comments as well. Let us know in the comments as well. Let's just talk about all the things Fenty Hair. Okay, that's all that I have for you guys for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, leave your girl a thumbs up, because those really do help my channel out a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah. Who that is?
All things MoElle.
I said, who that is?
All things MoElle.
Man, who that is?
All things MoElle.
Okay, who that is?
All things MoElle.